DC voltage measurement. Resistance MEASUREMENTPLACE, the stylus on both sides to measure. When the buzzer is detected, a drip drip beep is emitted. Diode MEASUREMENTPLACE, the stylus on both sides to measure. Capacitance, the stylus on the capacitance for measurement. ACVOLTAGEWHEN, measuring. Insert the measuring pen into the hole to measure. Alternating current, MA, measurement. ACCURRENTTHE, current at work can be measured by placing the watch pen in the corresponding position. DCCURRENTTHE, current at work can be measured by placing the watch pen in the corresponding position. Direct current, MA, measurement. Measurement of a microampere DCCURRENTMEASURE, the current value of the multimeter when it is in operation. Temperature measurement. It can be measured by touching the electric couple. Watch pen fixed stand / humanized support stand display.